In this video, we'll learn how to solve systems of linear equations by graphing. Let us look at the first example, 3x plus 2y equal 12, x minus 2y equal minus 4. The first thing you will notice about these two equations that they are given in a standard form, which is ax plus by equals c. And of course, the first step of solving this type of questions, guys, is to plot the graph of each equation by using the intercept method. So we have to find the x-intercept and we have to find the y-intercept. Let us first start with the x-intercept. At x-intercept we have y equal 0. So let us start solving the first equation. 3x plus 2y equal 12. I will have to write it down. 3x plus 2. Now instead of writing the letter y, we have to replace it with 0 because we need to put y equals 0, right? We are plugging 0 instead of y equals 12. Now this is 0, so 3x equal 12. I will have to divide 3 both sides. These will cancel out. So I have x equal 4. So this means the x-intercept for the first equation is 4 and 0. Now let us find the y-intercept. Now I should set x equal to 0. So I will again go to the first equation. I will have to write it down, 3x, but instead of writing the letter x, I have to put x equals 0. So I will have to put 0 here. Okay, so 0 plus 2y equal 12. So this is 0. So I will left with 2y equal 12. I will have to divide both sides by 2. This will cancel out. So y equal 6. So the y-intercept for the first equation is 0 and 6. Now we have to do the same thing, same steps for the second equation. So let's start with x-intercept. So we have x minus 2. Now instead of writing y, I will write 0 equal minus 4. So this is 0. So x equal minus 4. So the x-intercept for the second equation is minus 4 and 0. Now let us go to y-intercept. So I will use the, again, same equation. But instead of writing x, I will just put 0 minus 2y equal minus 4. So I will have to divide both sides by minus 2. These will cancel out. So the value of y is 2. So the y-intercept for the second equation is 0 and 2. Next step is to plot these points on the coordinate system. Let us start with the first equation and the first point, which is x-intercept. We have the point 4 and 0, which is this one, point 0 and 6, which is this one. Next, I have to draw a line between these 2 points. And for the second equation, we have minus 4 and 0, 0 and 2. Now simply we have to draw a line between these 2 points. Now, the intersection point between these two lines, which is 2 and 3, is the solution to the system. Next, we need to check our answers, which is 2 and 3. So we will have to write the first equation, which is 3x plus 2y equal 12. And the second equation, which is x minus 2y equal negative 4. Let us start with the first equation. 3x plus 2y equals 12. Now I have to take 2 and 3 and plug them here. So let us start. We have a 3 times 2 plus 2 times 3. Is it equal 12? Now 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2 times 3 is 6. Is it equal 12? Yes, because 6 plus 6 is 12 and 12 equal 12. Let us jump to the second one, x minus 2y equal minus 4. So we have to plug 2 instead of x. Minus 2 times 3 equal negative 4. Sorry, is it equal negative 4? This is how we are reading this sentence. When we check, we have to do it like this. So we have to write the numbers and we will ask ourselves, is it equal to minus 4? You can, some books, they put a question mark on top of the question, on top of the equal sign to make it clear for the students. You can use whatever you like. So let us continue. So we have 2 minus 6. Is it equal negative 4? Yes, 2 minus 6 is -4, and -4 equal -4. By the way, guys, if you want to learn about graphing linear equations using the x and y intercept, I have a full video about this topic. I will leave a link to that video in the description below. Let us take a look at this example. Y equal 1 over 2x minus 2. The other equation is y equal minus x plus 1. We will notice here, guys, these two equations given in the slope-intercept form, which is y equal mx plus b, where m represents the slope, b represents y-intercept, which is 0, b. So the easiest way, guys, to plot this type of equations to identify these values and plot them on the coordinate system. So if we compare this equation with the standard form, we will notice that the value 1 over 2 represents m, which is the slope, which equals 1 over 2. And to find the y-intercept, we have to put 0 and the value of b. According to the rule, we have to put the value of b, which is minus 2. So it will be 0, minus 2. Now let us jump to the second equation. We have y equal negative x plus 1. So comparing this equation with the standard form, we will notice that the value of m equals -1 and the y-intercepts equals 0, 1. Next, we need to use these values and plot them in the coordinate system. Let us start with the first equation. We will have to go to the y-intercept first. So y-intercept is 0 and -2, which is at this point 0 and -2. Now, for writing or for plotting the other points, we need to use the slope. And as we know, the slope equals the rise over run, right? So according to this, we have 1 over 2, which is 1 over 2. Now, in this case, we have to move 1 unit up, then 2 units to the right. So rise over run, which is rise over run. Okay, so we have to move 1 unit up, 2 units to the right. Of course, we have to start from here. So you have to move 1 unit up and 2 units to the right. So which is at 2 and -1, which is here. Now let us draw one more point to make our graph clear or accurate. So we have to move 1 unit up, 2 units to the right at 4 and 0. So it will be here. Now simply I have to connect these values or these dots together. Next, we have to follow the same steps and repeat the same steps for the second equation. We will start with y-intercept at the point 0 and 1. 0 and 1, this is 0 and 1, so the point will be here. And the value of the slope is -1. So the slope is -1. -1 is same as -1 over 1. So we have to move 1 unit down and 1 unit to the right. So we will have to move 1 unit down, 1 unit to the right. So at here, our second point, and our third point will be 1 unit down, 1 unit to the right here. And we will connect these two dots together. Now the point of the intersection between these two lines, which is the point 2 and -1. So this is the solution for our system.